No, no freaking way. I am not eating this piece of trash.
Me neither. I am not eating this either.
Cat King Hisstocrat and Cat Queen Hisstocrat, you are eating this at the restaurant, so eat it.
No, we want Burger King.
Cat King Hisstocrat and Cat Queen Hisstocrat. We are not having Burger King, we are having pork chips and shrimp at this restaurant. Now eat it. No. That's it. We are getting rid of this garbage.
I indeed with Cat Queen Hisstocrat.
Oh my god! Cat King Hisstocrat and Cat Queen Hisstocrat, how dare you throw your dinners at the wall at this restaurant?
That's it. Both of you are grounded for 694 centuries. And both of you will be kicked out of this restaurant by the waiter.
Cat King Hisstocrat and Cat Queen Hisstocrat, I saw you two throwing your dinner at the wall. That's it. You both of you are kicked out of this restaurant. Get out of this restaurant right now.
Both of you go home now and go to bed.
And no dessert for both of you. Bitch.